My name is Kyle Brule. I'm a regional sales manager with Amcor. For additives and chemicals, we offer a wide range of products. Commodity products like TiO2, talc, anti-block slips, things of that nature. And then we go into more engineered products, things like flame retardants, UVIs, and we do custom master batches. So for customers that maybe don't have the technology or the ability to blend all these different additives to make a product, we can do the blending for them. So we'll take, say, an anti-block in a slip, we'll blend it with a prime resin, and for a film manufacturer, it's a one component product versus maybe buying 3 or 4 different components. It helps with the processability, it helps with the efficiency of the manufacturing location, and a lot of times it actually helps with cost. From an additive side, there's nothing we don't do. Our passion is selling products that take the customer to the next level, that get them into the market first with something unique. And that's what sets our customers apart for their consumers. All of our sales associates and all of our team in general have, diverse backgrounds in manufacturing themselves. And what that allows us to do is we'll go into a plant, we'll talk to the operations people, we'll find out what the problem is they're having or what the goal is they're trying to achieve. And then once we get that product determined and we have the right materials, now we'll figure out, okay, how do we make this cost effective? And that's when we work with the sales and procurement teams to find the most economical way to make a high quality product, but yet still make it cost effective for the consumer.